Bird flu. Since the first appearance of the H5N1 swine flu virus, 291 individuals in Thailand have contracted the disease, of which 172 have died. The problem is serious and has prompted the Bureau of Disease Control and Veterinary Services to operate a training campaign for the surveillance of the disease in Pattaya. On the 19th of June at the Public Health Center on Soi Buakhao, South Pattaya, Kun Samart Butsasam, livestock officer of the Banglamung municipality, delivered a lecture to veterinarian volunteers about how to control the deadly virus. The Pattaya area contains a great many farms, and almost all of them raise fowl. There is even a nursery where fighting cocks are trained. All these could be a source of infection, so it is very important to remain vigilant and recognize the symptoms of the influenza.